Hello, I am Priya Mukherjee, the Digital Marketing Faculty of Internet Marketing School. So today I will be sharing you the topics of CPDM as well as the PPDM course. As we all know that the CPDM course is of a 3 months course and it is also called the certificate program. The PPDM course, which is also called the premium program, is considering of 6 months. We'll be starting our course with content marketing. As we all know that content plays an important part of our whole ad copy, because whatever ad copy we are writing, maybe in the form of video or in the form of text or in the form of picture, we need that ad copy to be properly targeted to our audience. So for that we need a proper content marketing knowledge. So after content marketing, we will be starting our course with WordPress website development and e-commerce website planning and development. Basically, we all have a notion of creating our website. So we all know that websites can be of many types, such as e-commerce website, blog website, business website, a real estate website, right? So we have to create different types of website, because in e-commerce website there are some transaction payment gateways and all those things, but for a blog website or say a real estate website, the structure and the pattern of our website is totally different. So we have to know that in which pattern, how to create the website, how to create multiple pages website, how to create one single page website. So all these things we will be doing in this WordPress. As also we will be knowing that how to register our domain name with our hosting, how to register the domain name. After the WordPress class, we will be shifting our course with SEO. SEO is also called the search engine optimization. Basically, SEO helps us to rank our website organically in the SERP page. So SERP page is the search engine result page of Google. So with the help of SEO, we rank our website organically in the Google search engine result page. So after the SEO, we will be shifting our course with SMM, which is also called the social media marketing. So basically, social media marketing plays an important role in today's world, because we know that social media is very important in today's world. And the most important part of it is Facebook, Instagram marketing, influencer marketing, WhatsApp marketing, Twitter marketing, Pinterest marketing. So all these things, the paid campaigns in Facebook as well as the brand collaboration in Instagram, all these things we will be doing in the social media marketing. After the social media marketing, we will be shifting our course with the SEM, which is also called search engine marketing or Google AdWords or say PPC ads. So basically, if we have a website and we need to do the paid campaigns in Google, we need to know the Google AdWords, as we have different types of Google AdWords, such as display advertising, YouTube ads, search ads, smart campaigns. So we will be knowing all the types and all the formats of this Google AdWords. After this Google AdWords, we will shift our course with inbound marketing. Basically, inbound marketing is the thought process, or you can say the theoretical part of all this total digital marketing framework. After this inbound marketing, we have a clear notion that how to target our audience, how to target which audience. So after all this, we will be learning with email marketing. So today's world also, as pair of this social media platforms and of this Google AdWords, email is still believed the professional way of sending the information to your customer. So we will be knowing the email marketing, how to design an email without graphics, how to design an email, and how to target the audience, which audience are clicking on our mail, and each everything. After this email marketing, we will be shifting our course with web analytics or say Google Analytics and heat map generation. If we have a website, we are doing the paid campaigns, we have different platforms of a website, we are merging our website with different platforms. So we need to know that from where the traffic is coming, from which ad the traffic is coming. So all this thing, on which particular page, on which particular post, how many traffic is on the real time. So everything, every bit of knowledge we will be getting through this web analytics, or say Google Analytics. After this Google Analytics, we will be shifting with this affiliate marketing and AdSense. Basically, affiliate marketing is just an earning an extra income by earning a commission with sharing some links with our existing platforms. So we have the famous Amazon affiliate program, as well as the Flipkart associate program, and many more. We will be learning about this. After the affiliate program, we will be making preparation of interview preparations to our candidates. So after all those things, our CPDM course comes to an end. So thanks all. Thank you for this.